Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing so well. As you can see from the title, today we are going to look into what I got from Latest in Beauty. And I have taken it out of the box and just popped it into the bag that they sent with it. So it says on the bag, I came, I saw, I contoured. I love that. So anyway, if you don't know what Latest in Beauty is, I found out from the lovely Willow Biggs. I love watching her unboxings every month. I'll link her channel down below, so go check her out. So anyway, she was talking about it, and it's not one, it reminded me of the Love Me Beauty where you choose the products that go into it. So you can have either 3, 6 or 9 products. So I had been sent a £5 code and the 9 item box is £18 per month. So I thought, right, okay, I have a £5 code, rather than paying for just 6 and getting £5 off, why not actually get the £18 box and get £5 off? So I got 9 products. I thought that would give me a better idea of what sort of sizing, what sort of products there are, and really give me a good look at different things. And £18 isn't a massive amount. I can stretch to that every month to try out different products, because I would be spending money on buying in different products to try out anyway. So maybe, you know, £18 on something like this here is a good idea. Also, if you don't specifically go onto their website and choose the 3, 6 or 9 products that you want, they will just send you a surprise every month. So it's up to you. I might maybe alternate it, you know, one month I'll let them just send me whatever, and then the next month I'll choose what I want myself. But anyway, so as I said, it came all lovely boxed up. It was really well wrapped. It had the wee wormies and everything. And in the bottom was this bag, and I think it is a brilliant size for traveling about with your makeup in. Obviously with toiletries you kind of need something slightly bigger, but this is perfect for your makeup. So let's actually get into what this is. First things first, you guys, if you don't know already, I am obsessed with masks, and I do quite like a sheet mask because it's something that you can just pop on your face and take off, massaging the product. You don't need to worry about, you know, washing products off afterwards. Garnier is a loved brand. Everybody, you know, knows Garnier. And this is the Moisture Bomb Tissue Mask. So it's super hydrating, revitalizing. Keep it on for 15 minutes and get a week of moisturization. Actually, this could do my niece a world of good. So the next, oh, nearly dropped that. Next item I picked up is from Sanctuary Spa, and this is the Foaming Micellar Cleansing Water. So it says highly effective yet gentle on the skin, dissolves makeup and impurities in seconds. So I do love my micellar waters. They're brilliant for breaking down your makeup. My favorite at the moment is actually my Derma V10. It is such a reasonable brand and it's just so good. I can't actually smell this. I was hoping that's so. Oh, so there we go. That's what it comes out like. It just smells clean, and as with any micellar water, it does just, yeah, wow. So that's cool. I am excited to get using that. I do have a full Derma V10, well, pretty much full, just open, so it'll be a while before I actually do try that one. So the next item I picked up, I'd actually seen Willow using, Willow had chosen in hers. This is Mercy Handy. This is a dry shampoo, and I picked up the Namaste. That's the one that she had picked as well. And it smells gorgeous. What even is the scent in it? Yeah, if you want to know anything about scents and stuff that are in things, go over to Willow. She is actually much better at describing things than me. No, I'm not getting what it actually is. Might be able to hear my cat downstairs crying. She clearly wants fed, even though she's already been fed because she's a bit chunky. So anyway, the next one I have is Queen of Q. Is that what the brand is called? I'm not sure. Queen of Shaves. If you look, it just looks like it's Queen of Q. So this is the Ooh La La Sensitive Shave Gel, and this smells delicious. It is vanilla and coconut, and as I said, it is for sensitive skin, so I'm really looking forward to using this because I do have sensitive skin, and a lot of the time after shaving my legs just feel horrible. And I'm really bad, even though I'm a beautician with my own salon, I don't actually get my legs waxed. Go figure. So anyway, next item we have, I have tried this before and I really liked it. This is the Embryo Lace, and this is a makeup primer. It says makeup primer, moisturizing cream, milky makeup remover, moisturizing mask, aftershave cream. Like, this is clearly just an all-in-one. It is a very, very small sample, but it is quite an expensive product, so you don't expect to get a huge amount. But I wanted to try it again because I thought, you know, maybe it is something that I would look into. I think the older you get, the more you want to spend money on expensive things that are worth it than just wasting money on cheap things. But there is a fine line between a lot of the things. But anyway, moving on. I don't remember picking this up, but clearly I did. The Revive Face Oil. This has lavender and frankincense in it. Now, the reason I'm surprised I picked this up is because lavender actually gives me a sore head. So I'm not really going to be able to use this one on my face, but I will pass it on to someone else that will make the use out of this. So, nourishing and hydrating nutrition for your skin. So I'll maybe pass this on to my sister or my niece. My niece is really dry at the minute. She's a teenager. So this could be something that would be really good for her skin. The next item we have is this cute wee tub, and it's cardboard, so I'm going to assume that it is it's from sense.co.uk. I'm assuming that it's recyclable, which is really cool. So this is Shining Rose Face Balm, and it has rosehip oil, organic jojoba, and borage, which I don't know what that is, and rose geranium. So it's just a balm, but it smells lovely. So I am looking forward to trying this out as well. Next item I chose was from Bioderma, and they give you 2 samples of this, and it's the Rich Moisturizing Care, and this is dry to very dry sensitive skin. Again, you know, anything that's really good for moisturizing, I am all for. Strangely, this one feels like it's more in it than that one, so that's what it looks like. They are tiny, but they give you 2 of them, so that's pretty cool. So this item here is from Argentum Apothecary, and this is the most gorgeous, gorgeous tub. And it is glass. And whenever you open it, it has another wee tab. Of course, I'm being awkward. And then the product inside. And it just, it doesn't smell really strong or anything. It just smells like a moisturizer should. And this is Science Meets Poetry. Try Me. AG. So, again, I don't remember choosing this. So, I must actually go back into the information on this. So, Face, Eyes and Neck Moisturizer. So I am excited to use this one because it feels luxurious. And last but by no means least, we have a lip gloss, and this is Luscious Food Flavoured Gloss. And let me tell you, this smells so sweet. What's it meant to taste of? Oh, plum and blueberry. Oh yeah. Let's get this, there you go. I love a lip gloss that has that. Lip gloss wouldn't be something that I would wear very often, but that feels lovely. Definitely not flavoured. It smells gorgeous, but it's not flavoured. So that's by Stargazer. Probably not a really expensive brand, but you know what? Fair enough. It's always good to have a gloss about the house. So anyway, guys, that is what I got in my latest in beauty. I will continue to get it next month again, and we will see what happens then. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. Have you checked out this box? And what other subscription boxes? I know I keep seeing ones, there's one called Rocket Box I keep seeing about, and Deb Siteman Box. Anyway, there's so many out there. What is your favourite and what is your worst? Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. And I will see you guys next time. Love you. Mwah.